Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove a password from a PDF file. So if you want to open up your PDF and get rid of the password, there's a very cool service that you can use online. You don't have to install any apps or anything like that. So just type in unlock PDF and go to I love PDF, this first link. And in here guys, it's pretty simple. Either press on this button and choose your PDF from your file explorer, or just drag it onto here. Let me just choose my file. Alright, and as you can see, I've uploaded my PDF, and now to unlock it, you can just press on unlock PDF. So what it's going to pretty much do, it will unlock your PDF for you, remove the password, and then in return give you the PDF file, the same one that has the same files, text, images, whatever you have inside of there. Same file, but without the password. So press on unlock PDF. As you can see, PDF files have been unlocked, and now you just download it to your computer like nothing happened, just like that, and then save it to your PC anywhere you like. Alright, so this is my file. As you can see, I'm just using an external downloader. So start download, and as you can see now, our file is downloaded, and your PDF file is easy to open now, and no password is there. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.